Stop paying for services you don't use. The confusion around cancel subscription vs disable auto-renew causes countless unexpected charges every day. This video immediately clarifies the critical difference and provides exact steps to manage your digital services correctly. First, understand that canceling a subscription terminates access immediately and stops all future billing, while disabling auto-renew lets you use the service until your current paid period ends, preventing the next charge. If simply understanding the terms isn't enough, then locating those elusive settings is your next hurdle. That's why method 2 focuses on pinpointing exactly where to manage your subscriptions across different platforms. Always look for account settings, then subscription management. Once you found the options, making the right choice is crucial. Method 3 dives into the precise actions for truly cancelling a subscription by clicking the cancel button and confirming the prompts, which immediately stops billing. But what if you just want to finish your current term without renewing? Our final strategy, method 4, outlines how to disable auto-renew without losing immediate access. Simply find the auto-renewal toggle and switch it off, ensuring no surprise charges next cycle. Follow these steps to take full control of your digital spending and avoid common billing mistakes.